Hello, welcome back. Um, in the earlier session, I have discussed what is front-end development, what are the front technologies, what are the core web technologies, and how much front-end web developers are making per year. I showed you some job requirements and the salary of the web developers offered by some different companies. Okay, now I have shown you how web pages are built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and today I'm going to show you how we can uh, push our programs or codes into Git repository using our um, Git technology. All right. Okay. Now let me show you. Let me go to the web page we did work on. It's not well-styled web page. Just I'm showing you some very basic HTML and CSS, how web pages are built or created or developed, okay, how we can style it. And now I'm going to show you how we can push all these codes into GitHub repository and collaborate with our team members. Okay, there can be 100 developers in a team, can be 10, 20, 30, 100 or 1,000, but how you can collaborate each other. Okay, how you will share your codes or programs with each other. Okay, so let me show you how we can create a GitHub repository. Okay, just go to github.com, github.com, and create a new repository. To create a new repository, you can click on new or click on this new repository. Okay, all right, just a minute, all right, let's, sorry, cannot minimize it, but I think I can share my screen. Okay, now what I did, I click here, then create a repository, and I name this repository web intro. So for example, okay, just keep it private. Okay, initialize this repo with the readme file where you can keep notes. Usually we use it to keep the requirement written so that developers can see it and develop the web application as per the requirements. Okay, then just create repository, click here, and a new empty repository has been created. You see, now if you want to write the requirements here, or you want to keep any notes, you can just start writing. Hello, say for example. Okay, you can write whatever you want. Are you ready? Okay, and just save it, and then you can share with your team. Okay, your project lead or dev lead can leave some instructions here. Okay, you can write whatever you want. Then just click on settings, click on collaborators. If you want to include your team member, you can include anyone. Okay, and then I can also include my team members. Okay, then click back here, click on clone or download. Okay, just I'm copying it, or you can just click here and right button click and copy, then go here. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what is possible. Okay, now just I clear it. Now we are inside web dev 2020 and our files and folders are inside of this. Now we are going to tell Git to clone, means copy everything, whatever we have inside this URL that I have created a new Git repository. Okay, then just press enter and it's cloning into web intro. Okay, now I have to navigate to this repo. Just I say cd means change directory. In the earlier video you have learned it. Cd into web dash intro. Okay, and I am now inside of this web intro. Okay, now we have a folder web intro where it's on our desktop, right? Web intro, sorry, name of the what is it? Folder is web dev 2020. Okay, web dev 2020, where is it? Web dev 2020, web dev 20, right here, right? Web dev 2020, double click, and web intro is here. Now I want to drag and drop every file and folder inside web intro. Okay, and this one also to web intro. Now every folder are inside this repo. Okay, web dev 2020 folder. Now if you click it, you can find each and everything here. Okay, now what we have done, whatever we had here, we just transferred it into here. Okay, now what I can say git add all. I want to add all these files and folders, okay, into the new repo, and I want to send it into the stage area. What are these? You don't need to know right at the moment. You will learn step by step. Just I'm showing what you will be doing as a web developer or software engineer or software developer. Okay, just I'm showing you the gist. Then just you will write git commit m flag, means minus m, stands for message, and you will write a message for other developers. What you have done here, I'll just say transferred all files and folders into web intro. Okay, say for example, let me expand it so that you can see each and everything. Okay, then press enter, and you see all the files and folders have been staged into the stage area. And let me just clear it, just say git push, and it will push all of our codes and programs, whatever we have written here. This is in our computer. Local repository means local computer, local device, and now we are pushing them, this one, to the remote repository into the GitHub, and it will be deployed there, it will be saved there forever. If you lost your computer or destroy your computer, okay, your codes, your programs, your application, your website will be there forever and ever. Okay, now let's check whether it is pushed. You see, still not, but when you refresh, it will show here each and everything you have pushed. Okay, now open index.html file. Okay, double click right here. Say for example, someone changed a code. What do you have to do? You have to click on this edit file. Okay, and one of your colleagues, he changed here something. He said H2 tag. Okay, and he said web developers make $100K plus every year. Okay, so for example, and what he did, he just commit changes, and now in your computer, this code that your friend changed is not yet here because you don't know he changed it. When you went there, you have seen someone collaborated and write some more codes. Now you have to what? You have to update it into your local repository also. So how you can do it? I can definitely copy and paste, but this is not the way the web developers and software engineers and software developers work. Okay, you just say git, you are telling git to pull those everything into your computer, then press enter, and you see everything has been pulled down from remote repository to your local repository to your computer, and you check now, it will be here within short time. Okay, let me save it. I see it didn't come. Why? Let's see. I just can say people. Yeah, it's already up to date. It's not showing though, but it should be here. Okay, let's go to different file. Okay, images, index.html. This is HTML. Oh my goodness, why two HTML file? Maybe by mistake we made two. Okay, now you see it has just pulled down. Okay. Oh, this is different file, I see. Okay, now this file is updated one. Okay, so what we can do now, again, if you want to push, we can push, but not necessary. So I think you have now the idea how web developers and software developers, software engineers works. Okay, now go to settings, then scroll up, and check GitHub pages. You can deploy your website. Just deploy the master branch, and you will have a link. Now your web page is deployed, and you can share it with your friends and family. Okay, the whole world can see your web page or website that you have developed. Okay, just write the name of the file, index.html, and press enter. You see, so popping up. Okay, okay, wow, you see, now your web pages has been deployed, and anyone can see it from anywhere in the world. Okay, thus you can deploy also your website into GitHub. Okay, GitHub, and you can share with your um, future employer. Okay, with your friends and family, whatever you are creating every single day, you just push them, and after 3 months you will have like 100 repositories, at least 10 to 20 web pages, websites, and you can show to people who are going to hire you, look, I created this 10 websites, web pages, web applications, and it will prove that your Git repository will prove that you are expert in this field. Okay, so be confident. If you really love coding and if you think it is doable, and definitely it is doable, definitely it is doable. You don't need to be super talented, you don't need to be super genius. If you can read and write, and you can write on computer, if you have high school diploma, you are good enough, and you can join from anywhere in the world. In our training, you can learn from anywhere in the world. Okay, there is no barrier. Now, how much do we charge? We charge minimum. Actually, we are offering 75% off right now. Okay, just take step, take action, start learning, prepare yourself in the next 3 to 6 months to become a software engineer, software developer, web developer, and be your own boss. Okay, so if you like this video, just don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family. I hope they will be benefited. Okay, again, let me tell you a little more about front-end technology. You see, this is building materials, okay? This is building materials. Look at my screen very carefully. This is building materials. We can build house using these materials. This material stands for HTML. With HTML, you can building block of web pages. And with CSS, you can color, you can beautify, you can style like this house, okay? With HTML and CSS, you can build this house and paint, okay? Now, house is built. The website is built. What next? Can you live in a house that is built and it doesn't have phone connection, it doesn't have electricity, it doesn't have water supply, it doesn't have gas supply, it doesn't have internet connection? You cannot. The same way, when we build web pages, web application without JavaScript, it will be just like this house without water supply, electricity, internet connection, and gas. Okay, so to become a functional house, to become a functional website, you need HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, these three are the core web technologies that make it interactive, functional, and responsive website. Okay, and this is our job, to create web pages like Amazon.com, okay, Alibaba.com, Facebook.com, Google.com, Walmart.com, and so on and on. Okay, if you want to create something, impress your friends and family, and want to contribute directly or indirectly to the world community, global community, then this is the profession. Okay, after completing this course, you can apply in NASA, Google, Amazon.com, Uber, okay, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you want. Okay, so join with our bootcamps, and where you can find it, just go to our YouTube channel. Okay, name of the YouTube channel is Web Quality Expert, remember. Okay, and you want to buy something, just click here. It will take you to the biggest store in the world. Okay, and you want something, you have skills, just click here and sign up. This is a recruiting company and they will contact you with job offer. Click here to read our blogs, okay, to get more information. And if you want to join Web Development Bootcamp, this is the link. Okay, send us email. Join with us, okay? All the videos are here, okay? You can join, just click and learn, okay? That's all for today. If you like it, just subscribe and click on the bell icon, okay, to get notification and learn every single day. Thank you so much.